Hello guys, this is Robert, CEO of MUCOS. Give me just 60 seconds and your business will be totally upgraded. First of all, let me introduce my warehouse. Isn't it gorgeous? Let's get inside together. What is MUCOS? Let me show you. We do supply all Korean cosmetics with the fastest delivery, lowest price. And we do everything for your business. First of all, driving the forklift by myself. And we do also, wrapping the polish by myself. And we also do the vending for your polish to be safely delivered. Oh, one thing you shouldn't forget about it. You should pray for this good delivered to your door safely. This is my warehouse. Is it big? It's getting bigger. Let me show you all. Welcome to my office. This is my brain. You know what? We're working 24 hours to communicate with you. Global partners, look, we're working. Working 24 hours is very exciting. Hey, isn't it exciting?
It might be fun, but my bank account also want to be fun.
Oh, well, to increase the partner's profit, we decrease our profit. And let's work for fun, not for money.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Oh, whatever, but we'll keep going there. You know what? We're also making an application and platform to experience new Korean brands. Even shipping is free. You can just experience without any cost. Free shipping, free cosmetic. Hey Jeff, how many products you sent them for free?
Maybe 525,600 pieces.
Yes, it's wonderful. We'll keep sending them free, so you can just download in the App Store and Play Store. Fast shipping, great price, massive warehouse. We've got everything you need. Come and get it.